So today we're having to get to Bordeaux to pick an airplane up. Okay, I'm in the lounge now and ready to go to Amsterdam, and then Amsterdam to Bordeaux. Mike's just confirmed everything's okay with the aircraft. Tomorrow morning we'll check it over and then fuel it up, and then we'll be on our way back to Granada. Expect to be back in Granada for around about 3 o'clock. So
22, 1 to 22. Hola.
hello.
Can you see your passport? Perfect. Thank you.
So we're starting off in Malaga. This is inside the Schengen, so there's no passport control. So we jump on the plane straight to Amsterdam. This is KLM, and I've not been with KLM for probably 10 years.
Bye-bye.
Excuse me, what gates for Bordeaux?
Time's your flight?
9:05.
I like the way the staff member here doesn't engage. She just keeps looking at the screen and then just passes me on to a colleague next door. Yeah, the reason I asked is because there was no boards when I come off the plane to show where flights were.
Yeah, 1477 Bordeaux.
I remember Clifford being one of the first airfields I went to when I was in my corporate job after leaving the army. And I remember the size of the airfield. We get from gate to gate. And I think at one point I missed a flight because I didn't find the gate in time.
Clifford now.
Yeah, this is standard travel around Europe, so you don't have planes go everywhere. So Malaga to Amsterdam, Amsterdam to Bordeaux. My co-pilot, he went from Barcelona to Paris, Paris to Bordeaux.
Hi there. I've got 33F.
Sorry, can I check your boarding pass, please?
Yes.
Thank you. No.
I just like the way the woman just pretends that she doesn't know what's going
You
on.
have 10F?
I'm more than happy to move because a seat's a seat's a seat.
Ah, okay. So
Moves me to the front of the plane anyway.
this seat and you have 10F.
Ah, t'as 10F.
Bah non. She told us 33. Bon, okay, anyways.
Okay.
Are you okay with sitting at 10F?
Yeah, right.
Are you okay with that, sir?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Linked to my seat.
Oui, je pense que Louise elle va
There
être
you go.
vraiment contente lundi. Oui, il m'a dit tout à l'heure.
Travelling around.
Pourquoi? Parce que je pense qu'elle va pas bien.
Bah, elle est malade déjà.
Your electronic devices are disconnected from the in-seat power. This also includes vaping and the use of other electronic cigarettes.
Just 2 stops.
So this is the tram in Bordeaux, and we use this all the time to get around.
Your name, please.
Clifford marker. Okay, we're in reception now, and just better catch a taxi. Morning.
Morning. How are you? Nice
How's it
to
going?
meet you finally.
Yeah, so this is the co-pilot, and meeting first time today, and then we're going to do the debriefs and that when we get to the airfield. We're just going to catch an Uber. This is the thing. This is what we worry about, is fog. So this fog might delay us a little bit, yeah. But that's life. Yeah. It'll clear up.
I think so, yeah.
Usual day early morning, so it's just after 6 in the morning. Right, walk this way. Right, so it's now 10 past 8. Still a bit foggy, so we've prepped the plane, fueled it up. So I'm just going to go over and set my... So there's another Socata here in Socata. Okay. So we've been delayed now. It's now just after 10 o'clock. So we're just going to go prep ourselves and get ourselves going to Bordeaux. So full tanks, oil's all okay, everything's fine. So we're just getting ready to go. So that with this plane, yeah, when we fly so that when we land, we always protect that front wheel. Again? So always land on the rear wheel. You'll do the slat. So on the first landing.
How do you land? We always land on the rear.
No, some people land flat.
Okay.
It's, you've got varying levels of pilots.
It's like always flare, no?
Yeah, have a look at this. We call it rounding out. Have a look at this this landing. Right.
Holy shit! That's not your airplane, please.
No. No. String lights on. Okay, so if you take control of steering now.
So I still with the brakes, you said?
Yeah. Just get the feel of it. But keep your feet off the brakes when you're going straight, so you don't wear the brakes. Okay. Brakes. Okay, so my feet off the brakes now. Just going straight. And then I just tap the right just to level it off.
It's what I love. Please check raw, can't ask for more. Kiss the sky. Fly so
No, we're taking off the steering wheel. We're going to take off, go into the club, and then we're going to turn. Okay, yeah, so for the flap, right, push that down, lift it to 1, and then lift it to 2, okay? No, so you press, and then when you lift it, you let it go. That'll take you to your first one, then your second one, and then down, down. Okay. What I'll do is I'll do this takeoff and you just follow a string. Yeah. Okay.
I've seen the world so many places, different people, different faces, tropical islands, clear blue seas, away in the sky is where to be, the only place to be, kiss the sky.
Thank you, Charlie Hotel, Romeo. Full shot, 3,000 feet, 2811016. On track 331, direct to the Spanish coastline, Socata Rallye. We're on a flight plan. Thank you, Charlie Hotel, Romeo. Full shot, 3 mile final.
Charlie Hotel, Romeo, Fox 11, it's runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land, 23, Echo Charlie Hotel, Romeo, full stop.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
There's the slats coming out. Slats out. There's in front of us. And that's just one flap. Yeah, so I just feel what the aircraft's doing. Keep the weight on the nose. Put that.
Okay, so we're just getting some fuel at Bordueax, and it's regularly used by schools in Madrid.
Charlie Hotel, Romeo, Fox 11, Alpha, coming forward and holding 123. It's 721.
It's what some people do here is they cross this runway down, and sometimes they turn camera accidentally. Okay, into the green.
So we're just doing our power checks here, getting ready for our departure.
Right, we're going to switch to the right tank. Yeah, we want to do the switch without that. Check for the
Kiss the sky, say goodbye
ready
to
for
lesser
immediate?
things.
Thank you, Charlie Hotel, Romeo. Full shot at Charlie 6 for 23, rear car departure via Sierra 1 to Sierra.
I've got Charlie Hotel, Romeo, Fox 11, sky, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
I could take off Charlie 6 there.
Fly so high, clear up the clouds, far from crowds, kiss the sky, you and I, fly, 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 wasted hours waiting for trains. Instead of being up in my plane, seething streets under sullen skies, all left behind when one flies. Kiss the sky, fly so high, clear the clouds, far from crowds. Kiss the sky, you and
Charlie Hotel Romeo, Foxtrot approach Sierra. That's the Lego, next service, reaching into, bye-bye.
people, different faces, tropical islands, clear blue seas, away in the sky is where to be, the only place to be.
Okay, Charlie Hotel Romeo, Foxtrot 1, clear KMS, big group 1S, better for request 130.1.
Kiss the sky, you and I, fly, 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 fly. Kiss the sky, fly so high, clear the clouds, far from crowds. Kiss the sky, you and I, fly, fly, fly. Kiss the sky, kiss the sky, fly, 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 fly.
Foxtrot, Golf Hotel Papa Quebec, muy buenas, you're ready contact, flight level 70, no traffic reported.